Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here, and today I wanted to do a quick video about what's on my smartphone. So I haven't done one of these, I'm pretty sure, for this year, and so I just want to share with you guys my setup, what apps I'm using on my Android smartphone, and how my setup looks like. So let's begin. So first thing, the phone. So the phone I'm currently using right now is the Samsung Galaxy S8. Maybe in the future, if the S9 is really cool, cross fingers that I'll be able maybe in the future to afford it and be able to maybe make a video and upgrade this to the S9 instead of having the S8. Okay, so let's start from the notification area. So in the notification area, I have some tiles installed onto it. So I have a weather tile to see quickly the weather when I don't want to unlock my phone. So from there, I'll be able to see the weather from the tile. I have a tweet button, of course, to tweet quickly if I want to, but usually I never really use that tile. Caffeinated, one of my favorite tiles for Android. It keeps your phone screen awake. I use this tile a lot, mostly only when I'm recording videos here on YouTube. What else do we have here? That's pretty much it for tiles in the notification area. So it's just those three tiles are my favorite tiles to use. Okay, so the wallpaper I'm currently using, I don't know the name of this wallpaper, but I will post a link to the wallpaper so you guys can go check it out if you guys want to install it onto your phone. So yeah, it's a pretty cool wallpaper. A lot of tech YouTubers have this installed on their new iMacs or on their smartphones. I have it installed, of course, on my S8 because it looks really cool. Okay, so launcher I'm currently using right now is Action Launcher. So many of you guys already know I love Action Launcher. It's my favorite third-party launcher for Android, and it's just an amazing launcher to use. And it's just really simple. That's why I really like it. Okay, so the apps I have at my home screen are, well, the setup. Let's begin with the setup. I only have two apps over the dock. This is so that the wallpaper stands out. I can see it because this wallpaper, like, it's just really amazing to look at. And so I wanted the wallpaper to stand out, and so that's why I have a Google folder where I keep all the apps I use for Google, and then of course APPHUNT to see the top apps and to find new apps to do video reviews for the channel here. Okay, my dock, I have POCKETCAST. So POCKETCAST is an amazing podcast player, of course, to listen to great podcasts. I love listening to a lot of podcasts. My favorite one right now is The Daily by the New York Times. So if you haven't checked that out, highly recommend you guys go check that out. Next we have Instagram, of course. Gotta take the selfies, and just an amazing app to have to see some cool photos. My favorite app, of course, I made a ton of videos about this, LAUNCHBOARD. So LAUNCHBOARD, of course, quickly find apps from your app drawer without having to open the app drawer. So it's just an amazing app to have installed onto your smartphone. Twitter, of course, I am using the main Twitter client app for Android. It's just Twitter has actually been doing a good job with this app, so that's why I've been using it right now. It's fantastic. I like the app shortcuts that they added to it, so that's really cool. It's just a really cool. It's just really cool the updates that they have been giving to the Android app. The Play Store, of course, to update apps and to download apps, of course. In my second screen, I have widgets. So I only have one widget installed on my second screen, and that's the today weather widget, which to see how the weather is going to be throughout the day. So it's just a fantastic. I like the design of the icons. That's why I have it there, and it's my go-to weather app for Android right now. Of course, transit. You gotta have transit, of course. I take public transportation to work and all that stuff, so that's why I use transit, of course. Hue, I love the Hue app. I've been enjoying the Hue lights, of course, by Philips Hue. It's just an amazing cool piece of technology that I don't know why I didn't buy this earlier, but it's just a fantastic product of tech that Philips has released to it. NEWSFOLD, So RSS is still live in my opinion. I use it of course to keep up with some blogs that I like to read about Apple blogs and Android blogs to keep it even, to do videos about Apple and all that stuff, so I have to keep up to date. In my second screen, you'll probably notice I have Snapchat installed into it, so that's on my second home screen. It's not no more in my main, where that's my main home screen. It's in my second one now. So that's because I really don't like the design of the Snapchat app, and I haven't been really using it. It's really confusing, and I've seen a lot of my friends that don't have posted a lot of stuff. They've been posting, of course, in Instagram more, just because the design of Snapchat pretty much got ruined here. So Snapchat really did a bad job right now, in my opinion, with the design of this app. And then, of course, the Today Weather app I have installed to see the weather, of course, in much more detailed. And it's just a really fantastic, great looking weather app for Android. And of course, in the dock, I have the Google Doc, just like in Android, just like the Pixel 2 setup that Google released earlier last year. So yeah, apps. I have other cool third-party apps here, but on my app drawer, of course. So there's still a ton of apps I've been playing around with. A lot of wallpaper apps for some reason have been really popping out, and there's some great wallpaper apps like Pixel Walls is a fantastic wallpaper app for Android. If you guys haven't checked it out, highly recommend you guys go check that app out. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's my setup on Android. Action launcher, the icon pack I'm using is POTEM, if I'm pronouncing it right. And as always, I will be posting the apps I just talked about in the description below, so you guys go check them out later or now. And so that's it for now, guys, and I will see you guys later. Peace.